In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Clipchamp. If you spend a lot of time editing videos, switching to dark mode can reduce eye strain, improve focus, and just make the whole editing experience feel cleaner and more professional. The good news is, it only takes a few clicks to turn it on. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one from your dashboard. Once you're inside the editor, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small settings icon there. It usually looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that settings button. After clicking the settings icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open up the main settings panel, where you can control different preferences for your Clipchamp editing experience. Inside the settings panel, you'll see several options on the side. Click on General. The General section is where Clipchamp stores interface and display preferences, including theme options. Now, within the General settings, look for the option labeled Dark Mode. Once you see it, simply click on Dark Mode to enable it. As soon as you select it, the interface will instantly switch from the default light theme to the darker theme. You'll notice that the background becomes darker, panels adjust to darker shades, and the overall interface becomes easier on the eyes, especially if you're editing for long periods or working at night. That's it. There's no need to save manually. The change applies immediately. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the same steps. Go to the top right, click the settings icon, open Settings, go to General, and toggle the theme back to light mode. Using dark mode can make a big difference in your editing comfort, especially for creators who spend hours trimming clips, adding transitions, adjusting audio, and exporting content. It's a small change, but it improves the overall workflow. And that's how you enable dark mode in Clipchamp. Quick and simple. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tips and video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.